Keeping your dryer vents clean is important for a number of reasons, which include not only energy savings, but safety. A dryer works by pushing out hot, moist air so your clothes can dry. If your dryer vent to the outside becomes blocked by lint, the air will not be able to expel moisture like it was designed to do, and this will cause issues. Are your clothes not drying in one cycle? Does your laundry room seem humid? These are clear signs that it's time to have your dryer vent cleaned by a professional. It's highly recommended that you go with the team at San Antonio's own Patriot Dryer Vent Cleaning. Scheduling an appointment is so easy. Go to www.cleanmydryervent.org.